And I hug them and I kiss them and I make voices for them because I love them so much. Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up before you leave. It really helps us out a lot. And if you haven't joined our Facebook group, you should. It's called Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. There's a link down below, or you can just search for us on Facebook. Today we're going to be doing a plush unboxing, possibly one of my favorite things to do in life and on this channel. So Tiffany, better known as @BelievableBlessings on Instagram, sent me 2 boxes of plush. These came to me when we were still in Florida, back at the beginning of October. I did post on Instagram the day they arrived. I was very excited to receive 2 boxes of plush. But because we were in the middle of the move and Reseller Remix was like 3 days away from when these came, I just decided to leave them taped closed and leave them in the boxes and move them with us here to Pittsburgh to open once we were here and settled in. So now we're here, we're settled in, my office is set up, we're back to work, we're listing, we're selling, we're shipping. It's time to dig into these boxes and see what Tiffany sent me. But I do want to thank her once again profusely. I did not purchase these from her. She sent these to me just because. As a special thank you for everything I do here, and I do appreciate that. Thank you so, so much, Tiffany. You guys go give her a follow on Instagram, Believable Blessings. I'll tag her in the comments in the description when I share the video as well. Just as an appreciation, let's all follow her. Let's help her boost her numbers on Instagram. You want to see what she got me? So full disclosure, these boxes have been pre-opened before the show. Longtime viewers can attest that watching me open a box is torture for everyone. So Keith typically will put these up on the table for me where I can reach them and cut them open for me when I do these unboxings. So these are a mystery to me. And I know I sent Tiffany a message a month and a half ago that I was going to save them until we were here in Pittsburgh. And she said, well, maybe I'll forget what I put in there and it'll be a surprise to me too. So we'll all be surprised today. All right, let me get a sip of my coffee and put that over there so I don't knock it over with these plush. I see something pink and cute. Oh my goodness, he's my friend. They're all going to be my friends. If you're new to the channel and you haven't seen me open plush yet, you're in for a special treat because I sing to them and I talk to them and I hug them and I kiss them and I make voices for them because I love them so much. He's cute. He is, it just says toy on his tag. So he's a new to me. He'll either be very surprising and be like some kind of bolo I've never heard of, or he'll just be a nice bread and butter plush. All right. Next we have, oh my goodness, he's so cute. His hair. We have a monkey. This is one of those long-armed monkeys with the sticky hands. Yes, they're Velcro, but you cannot use the word Velcro on eBay. It is a Vero. So I just say sticky hands. He is official NBA plush. And he has his little jersey on. He's going to go play basketball. He's got his little headband. I can't get over his hair. I can't get over his hair. Oh my goodness. Isn't he cute? Okay. At this rate, we're going to be here for 10 hours. Here is a really super cute. This is Play by Play. So I've had this brand in the past. They do pretty good. I know they make a lot of like sports team stuff. Like this little bear, she is a Chicago Bulls cheerleader. Rah, rah, rah. Throw the ball. And then we have, oh my goodness. Oh, how cute is this dog? his face. Oh, he's an exciting one, guys. Let me give him a hug. Okay. And then I show you his tag. He is FAO Shorts. I'm very excited about this one. Being FAO Shorts and as big as he is, he's probably going to fetch a pretty penny. Thank you so much, Tiffany, for letting go of this Bolo plush and sending him to me. And we will find you a new forever home. He's soft. Oh, how cute, another sports one. She must have hit up the sports aisle of plush. This one's really cute. So this is another official NBA. The Timberwolves. He's got some kind of bling going on here. He's got some bling bling. That's kind of neat. He's got a silver chain that has the NBA logo on it. And he's got a little basketball. Isn't he cute? Look at this little basketball. So cute. He's got the wolves on his hat. I like selling sports themed plush. Y'all know I'm a nerd and I don't do the sports. But sports themed plush does really well. There are a lot of people out there who do the sports and like their teams. She's cute. I'm like playing with her head. This is Animal Adventure. So this is a really good brand that gears their toys towards smaller toddlers and infants. They're usually very soft. This one has hard eyes though. A lot of the infant toys will have the soft eyes. But I still really like Animal Adventures Plush. They're a good solid bread and butter brand. This little unicorn with its pink fur and its little red horn. It's got little glitter red hooves and a heart. I would put Valentine's Day and the title as a keyword for this little unicorn. And I can see one in there that's really cute. You want to say head for that. We go look at Eeyore now. Eeyore, Walt Disney World. So there goes his tail. Whoop, whoop. I tell you guys all the time, when you do these Disney characters that are oversaturated, the Walt Disney World, the Disneyland, the theme parks, and the Disney store are the ones you want to look out for. The more common, the Just Play, Hasbro, Mattel, those aren't going to comp as high. So you want to look for the special ones and the unique ones. So this Eeyore has a butterfly on his nose. He also looks like he opens up. So it looks like he needs to be tested because he's got a battery compartment. So what we'll do is throw some batteries in there and test him out and see if he works. He's got some instructions too. So test him out, see what he does. If he doesn't work, I will still sell him. I would just lower the price to compensate for the fact that he doesn't work and disclose that. But he's cute. Look at his little face with the butterflies. Oh my goodness, he's cute. And this cutie patootie, it's a hippo. And he says, Jesus loves me a ton because hippos are fat. Get it? I shouldn't call you fat. They're just big animals. That was rude. Sorry. Okay, so these Christian-based plush or the plush that are about Jesus or God, I actually do really well with. I've had plenty of these that are themed like this, and I do not shy away from them. They do sell well. And this is Fiesta, which is a good solid bread and butter brand. So you are going to find a new forever home, but until you do, you can hang out with all the hippos in here, and then we will send you on your way. Him's nose holes are hard. How cute is that? Okay, so that was box number 1. Let's do box number 2. Oh, and I just wanted to show you real quick. You can see that we did move these with us from Florida. I literally just left them the way they were. And unlisted plush. So, here we go. Oh my goodness, I have actually sold this very plush before. It's a really super cool top hat that's all sparkly and shiny. And then it has Mickey and Donald dressed as the new baby, the new year. It's for $2,000. I don't shy away from plush with the dates on it. Usually they're holiday plush that you're going to find that have the dates. I don't shy away from them. A lot of people do, but you know what? Everybody has had something good happen to them and every year. And they want things to commemorate that or remember that. They had a good Christmas, and even sometimes the sad stuff. Like, what if it was, a Christmas plush dated, let's say, 1995, and that was the last Christmas you had with your dad? People buy things with dates on it for all kinds of reasons. Most of those reasons are because of memories or reminiscing. And when you're selling emotions and you're selling memories, you're going to do really well. Happy 2000. So, yeah, this one's actually in a little bit better condition than the one I had before. So that's exciting. All right, here's a Mickey. That is the Walt Disney Company. Referee Mickey. So this is actually from the Disney stores. I don't know if it's going to blur. And then he actually has the referee Mickey on his little tag. And he's cute and he's unique. So yes, he's a Mickey Mouse, but he's a unique Mickey Mouse. He's got... See, now this is where sports will elude me. I don't know what kind of ball that is. Can anybody help me out? Is that supposed to be a football? I mean, I don't know. I'm a nerd. But he's cute. Oh, and a special Minnie Mouse. Oh, my goodness. She's too cute, too. And she is Juliet Minnie. It's very faded, but I can still read it. Wish it wouldn't blur, but it says Juliet Minnie. So this is supposed to be Juliet from Romeo and Juliet. And again, these Minnie Mouses and Mickey Mouses that are something unique or a different character, those are the ones you want to look for. Well, this is Daffy Duck. I don't know if that hat was meant for him. No, I don't think so. The hat says Life's a Beach, so we'll figure out who that goes to in a minute. This is Daffy Duck, official Looney Tunes by Ace. That's a brand you'll see a lot with these Looney Tunes characters. Daffy Duck, super cute. Then we have, another sticky, no. Oh, yes. I was going to say his hands are actually sewn together. Nope, sticky hands. So this is a really cute, I think this one is a dog. Is he a dog? Chicago Cubs. He's got the long legs with the sticky feet and the sticky hands, but he's got a really cute catcher's mitt. Check that out. How cute is that? So cute. These little sports plushies are so stankin' cute. Classic Aurora. So Aurora is a good brand. I love Aurora plush. And show you what the tag looks like. This is Classic Aurora, which I believe is a little bit more valuable than just Aurora. And this is one of them fuzzy dogs with lots of hairs. And it has a little pony. How cute, it has a little ponytail. Oh, these plush are so cute. And we have a Sylvester. This is Play by Play. Looney Tunes official. You want to make sure that you have that Looney Tunes, Disney, those official licensings on these plush. If you're going to call them by their character names, just to protect yourself from Veros and, companies coming after you and asking you to take their stuff down. And also, you don't want to sell knockoffs or anything like that. So look for that official licensing. Especially Minecraft. Look for Mojang because Minecraft goes after people. You will get your account into hot water. This is another one of those, just the toy. And this one's a really cute orange kitten. She lays down. She's cute. Hi, little ginger kitten. And then we have this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. one may have to stay here. This is the Busy World of Richard Scary. I'm going to have to, I have marker on my arm. Do you see that? How does one get permanent marker there? I don't know. My goodness, she's got eyelashes. Do you see them? Do you see her little... Look at her eyelashes. And she's got cheeks. Okay, I'll tell you what. I'm going to comp her, and if the comps are really high, unfortunately, I'm going to have to sell her and send her to a different new forever home. But she can hang out in the office with me until she goes. And if the comps are disappointing or low, this may be her last stop. Look at her. Her eyes are a little damaged. I will just take close-ups of that and disclose it. I think Robert paints or colors them in. Robert, if you're watching this, let me know. Would you, if you were going to sell her and not keep her, would you color her eyes in? She is super cute. She's really thick and squishy, too. So cute. All right, just a couple more, folks. Got a chime toy, Winnie the Pooh. So, again, this is a unique Winnie the Pooh. This is just not, it's not like every other Winnie the Pooh. It's from the Disney store. It has something different about it. It's unique. It's called a chime toy. So I would put baby toy. There's just so many good keywords you can come up with for this Winnie the Pooh. Like a title like Disney store, Winnie the Pooh, chime toy, plush, baby, infant. I mean, maybe even lovey. Because you can use the word lovey as a keyword for things other than the actual lovey, the little square blankets with the plush heads. Can you tell who this is from the back? He is so cool. Oh my goodness. Can you see? I'm looking for his tags. The Walt Disney Company. That is all his tag says, but you guys know who this is. This is Beast. His tail's a little matted, but I'll be able to fluff that up. Let roll his suit jacket. I'll fix his ribbon. Oh, he is just precious. He is just precious. This is Beast from Beauty and the Beast. I still didn't figure out who this hat goes to, but hopefully as I'm playing around with my new friends and doing photo shoots and little video reels for Instagram, I do a series over there called Adventures in Plush. It's pretty funny. We are at Flippin Hippos on Instagram if you want to follow us over there. But hopefully I'll find out who this hat goes to. I was going to put it on my own head. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about any of the plush you saw in this video, plush in general, or anything about reselling at all, let me know in the comments down below. I do answer all of my comments and all of the questions that I get. And a faster way to get a hold of me again is to join our Facebook group, Flippin Hippos Reseller Pod, and tag me over there. Go be productive, guys. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.